Hello everyone, I am John, who is responsible for the process equipment of the sewage treatment plant here. Our sewage treatment plant has a daily processing capacity of 30,000 tons. We use 5 sets of 150 kilowatts RAETTS Maglev turbo blowers for industrial sewage biochemical aeration. Compared with our traditional roots blower, Maglev turbo blowers have many advantages. It has low noise, sufficient aeration, and is easy to operate and use. We have been using it for more than a year, and the performance is basically very stable, also more energy efficient. Some small problems will be solved for us by their after-sales service. Come over as soon as possible to help us deal with it. Routine maintenance of RAETTS Maglev turbo blower is also very simple. Just replace the filter element and cotton. The control mode of RAETTS Maglev turbo blower is also very simple. Usually we only need to adjust the pressure and flow rate of the Maglev turbo blower according to our own needs through the display operation screen. RAETTS Maglev turbo blower is really good.